So what's up, fellow main characters? So hindi na fellow collectors, no? Main characters na tayo since I have changed my channel already for the nth time. Babalik-balik tayo sa Mr. Pogi, Kasi just to give you an idea, bago ako mag-start dito sa aking long form content of this vlog is I started YouTube at around 2010 or actually it's way back pa eh. College days pa yun eh. So started this one with Mr. Pogi in Space 21. Yun yung unang-unang YouTube channel title ko or channel name ko. Wala akong ibang iniisip nun. I was just thinking about my content to be covers, mga kalokohan. Kaya may makita kayo dyan, epic Mask Rider uh, transformation. Basta kung ano maisip ko, yun lang yun eh. In the sense of in yung mga panahon nila Ryan Higa and so on. But looking back, that's years before, 'di ba? Ilang taon na lumipas, no? Ang daming nang nangyari. Kaya papaisip ako eh, what's in it for me for 2025? So this content right now, this topic that we are going to talk about right now, it's the 2025 vibe check. So it's more on or energy check, no? So paano ba nagre-resonate yung energy natin sa 2025? And we also want to build the life that we want, 'di ba? So how do we build the life that you actually want despite having that 9 to 5 job that we have? For the start of 2025, how is it? So, gusto ko kayo kamustahin. So, please type in the comment section below kung okay ba? Are you feeling overwhelmed? Excited? Ano ba yung nafe-feel natin right now? So, minsan pag bagong taon na para tayong pumped up eh, no? May mga New Year's resolution tayo and we are thinking about, ano kayang pwede kong gawin dito? New Year, new me, di ba? Or parang same old, 'di ba? Same old, ano naman tayo, paulit-ulit na lang. But for this year, let's talk about the grind that we want to have in the despite having our 9 to 5 job. Now the problem is we are actually stuck in the cycle of this life. So para sa isip natin parang paulit-ulit 9 to 5 job. You wake up at 5 a.m., you take a bath, then you commute to work, and then while you are at work for 8 to 9 hours, you go back again, eat, sleep, and then repeat. So ganun lang po ulit-ulit. And then on the weekends, so you are thinking na, ay, deserve ko naman to. Siguro kailangan ko magpahinga and so on. So what happens is, hindi natin nabibigyan ng kulay yung creativity natin in life and yung mga gusto nating gawin that will help us grow. Iba kasi yung entertainment lang na ginagawa natin na, okay, travel tayo. Well, it's part na pwedeng maka-add ng value sa buhay mo in terms of experience. But what if you can do something different? So over the weekend, you can do a little side hustle that will grow your income, 'di ba? But I'm not saying na itong channel na to right now would be about growing your income and so on. So it's just thoughts. So this is the segment of thoughts in space. Kasi naisip ko lang, why not start the January 2025 with energy check of 2025? Minsan, inisip natin, plano tayo ng plano, di ba? We've been thinking about wanting the things that we have. We have to plan it perfectly. We have to do this or execute this perfectly according to the plan. But it's not about the perfect timing because there is no perfect timing for the things that we actually want. Because the perfect timing is actually today. Kung kailan natin masisimulan, kailan natin may isipin yan simulan. But isipin natin, ano ba yung mga isipin ng tao pag ginawa ko to? Baka i-bash ako, may masasabi sa akin. So, let's not focus on the negative aspects yet. You will cross the bridge when you get there. But making the most of what matters most. So, ano nga ba yung nagmamatter para sa'yo? Baka mamaya, sa sobrang indulge mo in your corporate job or your 9 to 5 job, ang nangyayari hindi mo na nabibigyan ng kalinga yung soul mo sa gusto mo talagang gawin sa buhay. I've been pondering about it lately. So I consulted my Basi chart. So the Basi chart is ginagamit ng mga feng shui experts on how can you navigate your life. Kung ano ba yung mga strengths mo, weaknesses mo, basing on the birth chart. The Basi is a birth chart. Yun yung makikita mo kung ano yung mga elements mo, kung saan ka ba malakas, ano yung mga strengths mo, kung ano ba yung mga pwede mong gawin, ano yung mga suitable careers for you. So I highly recommend that you check your Basi chart. You can message me if you want to, and we'll try to interpret it. So going back, guys, I want you to channel that main character of yours for this year, year of the wooden snake. So I want you to channel that main character vibe, main character energy natin. So it's not about being self-centered, no. I'm not teaching you to be the main character na magpaka ano ka dyan, main character ka sa labas na ikaw yung masusunod and so on, but rather it's about showing up your true inner self. So being true to yourself. You've been someone that has not been you for the past few years in your life. What if you change that? Bring out that main character in yours. Ako, I've been doing the main character post since last year and I've enjoyed it. Tapos naisip ko, hindi naman sa pa-main character no, na ikaw yung dapat center of attention sa lahat. Ikaw yung dapat pinag-uusapan and so on. But rather, if ikaw yung main character, you know how to navigate your life. Because the main characters in the movies, in video games, in stories, in books, they have different stories, 'di ba? Iba-iba yung mga kwento nila. There are ups and downs left and right. But as you can see, there is a development in their character for us being the main character. So paano natin magagawa yan? So here are some practical tips that I can give you. So number one would be time management. So in order for us to achieve what we want, being the main character of 2025, do a time management. So how can you do a time management? So just check on your time, no? Kung nagdo-doom scrolling ka for quite some time, so try to avoid it. And kung meron mang isang activity sa buhay mo in a day na para nagko-consume ng oras mo and it's not being productive, so you have to ask yourself, ano nga ba yung mga bagay na hindi essential para sa'yo na ginagawa mo at hindi naman to nakakapagbigay ng growth. So, try to look at it. Baka mamaya, ito na yung mga activities mo na ginagawa na it turns to be a bad habit of yours. So, try to check on it and try to remove it. So, maybe you've been doom scrolling for 2 hours. So, unti-unti natin, di ba? So, set a schedule. Manage your time. Because if you manage your time, you are actually managing your energy. So, second is that we must set simple goals. Yung mga clear and concise goals na gusto natin gawin sa buhay natin. Ano nga ba yung gusto nating achieve? For this year, if it has to be specific, ano nga ba yung mga gustong-gusto mong gawin? So, meron ako nakuhang tip. You can write down the goals that you want, then circle the top 3. So, sabihin natin 10 sinulat mo. Then, circle the top 3. Then, the rest of it, hindi siya yung mga major goals natin in life. But rather, yung tatlo, yun yung major goals natin na gusto natin i-achieve sa buhay natin. So, try to do that and see if how can you work around that specific goal. Now, kung gusto mo ay weight loss, try to write it down. 'Di ba? Kung gusto mo naman na magkabahay ngayong taon na to, maybe it's possible. But how can you achieve it? Always remember that all goals, all dreams are possible, especially yung alam mong kaya mo. Na mamaya realistic eh. Kailangan realistic kasi yung goal mo eh. Baka mamaya mag-set ka ng goal na okay, kailangan ko kumita ng 10 million pesos ngayong taon na to. Di ba sobrang taas ng ano nun? How can you achieve that? Di ba? The question is how. Di ba? And you have to ask yourself, why would you want to achieve that? And that would be your drive. Now, third naman natin, it's about celebrating your small wins. Kahit hindi yung super na celebration, no? But rather, congratulate yourself. Meron akong colleague before na 'pag meron siyang milestone sa buhay niya, bumibili siya ng, gamit, parang yun yung token niya or symbolism niya na, na-achieve ko na 'tong buhay na 'tong, task na 'to kaya bibilhan ko sarili ko nito. So, if you can do that, celebrate small wins. Eat a little dinner and yung mga bagay na hindi mo akalain na magagawa mo, eh, nagawa mo pala. So, try to praise yourself. Kasi kapagka nag-focus ka na, "Okay, I need to do more, 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 more." 'Di ba pagka gano'n, it is as if you are going to a burnout at mapapaisip ka na, tama pa ba yung ginagawa ko?" 'Di ba? So, try to celebrate the small win. So, ulitin natin, no? So, take the practical steps that I shared with you. So, time management. Time management is energy management as well. And number 2, set clear goals. And number 3, celebrate small wins. Take it one step at a time. Building life is actually a process. Building that kind of life that you want is a process. So you have to enjoy the process. So sabi nga nila, 'di ba, it's the journey but not the destination. So what's that one thing you want to focus in this year? So you can type it in the comment section below. So ano yung one particular thing na gusto mong i-focus or gusto mong i-achieve for this year? So if you could do that, 'di ba? Go back to this video and let's see kung na-achieve nyo ba yung gusto nyong i-achieve na yun. So yun lang. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So for a lot of videos, I will be posting videos for this year at yun yung gusto ko i-achieve for this year. I want you to join me in my journey. Baka makita ninyo, no? Hindi na ako dito pamali-mali, no? And minimal lang yung editing na gagawin ko dito kasi nakakapagod mag-edit. Okay, so once again, you're the main character of your life. Start the year right, start strong, and start happy. Thanks for watching.